Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allison Joy and I just wanted to share a quick 10-minute makeup tutorial with you. I feel like sometimes we don't have time to curl our hair or even pick out a cute outfit, so I was rushing out the door, but I had a few minutes and I felt like I could just put some makeup on real quick. And when I tell you, a few people complimented me and I just felt like a more confident person throughout the day. It honestly just gave me a little boost. So here's the video, like and subscribe, and have a great day.
Never mind all that, we taking off to the Afro future, not coming back. You can groove it or lose it, we done waiting it back. I should feel your energy in the back.
You are not the one, you're not even my crush. You think you're my star, but you barely made the cut. You say you don't need me, but I'm calling you bluff. Cause you keep begging for it, no, you can't get enough. See, that's your issue, too much pride. Lucky I even replied. Said that I couldn't do better, but we both know that you lied. I write niggas twice your size, they know how to treat me right. You know that I'm your leader, so fall back in line. When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. I may have seen some red flags, but I let you hit my line, you probably prayed for that. Gave you a couple nights you never take back. Didn't mean to gas you up, you switched up so fast. If you think you can do better, go ahead. I won't miss you, no regrets. Getting really good at goodbye. I just wanna have a good time. See, I stay away from drama, strong believer in karma. Block your number so I don't go insane. And when you come to your senses and realize what you're missing, better hold that I remember your name. When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. Baby, I just had to let you know. 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 Hey, you know, yeah.
Girl, I know it ain't been easy. You've been splitting even. Baby, I really wanna get to know you right this time. Give me the pieces. That's all I need, babe. Yeah. I wish that you would give me this time. I've been waiting for the longest. I've been waiting for the moment all night. Yeah. I've been waiting for the longest. I've been waiting for the moment all night. Maybe we can start, get a little taste. Spin around just so I can see the cake. Baby running back, think I lost my place. Gotta slow it down, no it ain't a race. If I go too far, girl, don't hesitate to put me in my place, to get in my face. I'm just trying to learn why you educate. Taking notes just so I can get it straight. Nothing like a real good loving. Nothing like someone you can trust in. Spend my whole life trying to find something. Yeah, I think I found it with you. Didn't even see this coming. All so sudden, I was sitting here touching. Spend my whole life looking for nothing. Yeah, I think I found it with you. Oh, I've been waiting for the longest. I've been waiting for the moment all night. Yeah. I've been waiting for the longest. I've been waiting for the moment all night.
You know how it goes. Eye for an eye, heart for a heart. It's an exchange. I gotta know it all. What you thinking? What you drinking? How you living? What I'm giving? Whatever it is, I guarantee that I'll be waiting.
What's the chance you're calling me out? What's the chance I'ma hear